Hey guys, thanks for coming back today. On today's episode, we're going to be plowing up an area to make my vegetable garden in. This is a new area that hasn't been plowed up in a good many number of years. So I have my reverse tine tiller on the tractor and I'm getting going on it. Stay with me, I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright guys, there you have it. I got the garden all rototilled and cleaned up and ready to plant now. So, good Lord's held off the rain long enough for me today to get this all rototilled up. I am one happy camper today. Well, thanks for joining me guys. I've enjoyed having you guys watch and I've enjoyed talking to you. I hope to see you again on my next episode. See you soon.